Have you ever wanted to create dynamic, wavy motion for your layers in After Effects? Motion that flows seamlessly with adjustable amplitude, frequency, and speed. If your answer is yes, you're in for a treat. This simple expression will bring your designs to life. First, select the layer you want to animate and open its position property. Hold Alt or Option on Mac and click the stopwatch next to the position property to enable expressions, and paste the following code. Now let's have a look on this expression. AmplitudeX and AmplitudeY control the size of the wave motion along the X and Y axis. Adjust these values to make the waves larger or smaller. Frequency determines how many waves occur per second. Higher values create faster oscillations. Speed controls the overall motion of the wave. Increase this to make the wave move faster. delayInFrames creates a staggered effect for multiple layers by offsetting their motion in time. And don't forget to customize and experiment. Want smoother motion? Decrease the frequency for longer flowing waves. Need sharper effects? Increase the amplitude for more dramatic movement. Animating multiple layers? Duplicate your layer, and this expression will automatically stagger the waves for each one based on its index. Once applied, your layer will start oscillating in a smooth, natural motion. The delay variable ensures that if you duplicate the layer, each one will animate slightly out of sync, adding a rich, dynamic feel to your project. By the way, if you enjoyed this tutorial and find it helpful, please consider supporting me on my Buy Me a Coffee page. For just $1, you get access to scripts that will improve your workflow and working files like the one from this tutorial. And your support really means a lot to me. It helps me continue creating content like this. So yeah, think about it. So let's go back to the tutorial. And that's it. With this expression, you can create beautiful wavy motion in seconds. Experiment with the values to match your creative vision. I use this technique all the time for dynamic compositions, and it's a real game changer. Oh, and if you're a member of my Buy Me a Coffee page, you'll now have access to my latest tool, Hub. Hub simplifies your workflow by letting you add and organize your expressions library directly within After Effects. No more digging through Google Docs to find saved expressions. Hub keeps everything at your fingertips, just a click away. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, have a great day, a great life, and I'll see you in the next one.